Welcome to The Vector. Today, we're diving into a big question that's causing a stir in our modern society. Tech lifestyle, moving towards the future or losing our humanity. Have you ever wondered if gadgets and apps are making our lives better, or are they slowly replacing our core human values? Imagine walking into a world where every interaction, every emotion is digitized and managed by technology. A world where smart devices, from smartwatches to artificial intelligence, track your every move. Is this the bright future we're heading towards, or just a fast-paced step that could make us lose ourselves? In today's video, we'll explore the profound effects of technology on our lives. Does digital connectivity truly enrich our lives, or does it just make us feel more distant? Let's uncover the answers to these questions right now. Part 1. Technology and its benefits. We've ventured into the world of technology, and now let's begin our journey with a very simple but crucial question. What real benefits does technology bring to our lives? Get ready to explore the fantastic aspects that technology has introduced. Maybe you'll find it even more impressive than you imagined. First, let's start with the magical gadgets you encounter daily: smartphones, tablets, and other smart devices. Looking at your smartphone, you might see it as a treasure chest full of everything you need: bank apps, entertainment games that can make you lose track of time. In fact, if you're not careful, it could be the reason you have to call a smart friend to find your lost keys, simply because you were too engrossed in screen games. Next, let's talk about the convenience technology brings to work and study. Thanks to the internet and online tools, remote work and online learning have become as easy as drinking a glass of water. No more commuting to the office or classroom. You just need a computer and internet connection to work or study anytime, anywhere, even in your favorite pajamas. But don't forget, too much time at home might make you forget you also need to go grocery shopping. Technology doesn't just help with work and study, but also in daily life. From controlling home lighting with your voice to automating household appliances, technology has made managing mundane tasks easier. Imagine adjusting the temperature in your home with just a command. It feels like you're living in a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? And then, there's the global connectivity technology offers. You can easily connect with friends and family from anywhere in the world, just with a click. Video calls not only let you see others' smiles, but also make you feel closer in an increasingly vast world. But don't let these conveniences make you forget that technology also has things to consider. So, before we dive into the challenges and misconceptions about technology, let's review once more the wonderful benefits it provides. Technology is not just a handy tool, but also an indispensable part of our modern lives. Part 2. Technology and its threats to humanity. Having outlined the fantastic benefits of technology, it's now time to look at a less rosy aspect. What dangers does technology pose to our humanity? Let's explore this issue with a deep, yet humorously insightful perspective. First, let's consider a very familiar phenomenon today: dependence on technology. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through news feeds on social media for hours, only to realize you can't remember any of the posts? This is a classic example of how we're increasingly reliant on technology to waste our time. You might even have forgotten how to have face-to-face conversations, being used to texting or sending emojis. Next, technology can diminish our concentration and memory. A fascinating study shows that when you continuously switch between apps on your phone, your focus can suffer significantly. Imagine trying to read a great book, but every few minutes you're tempted to check emails or messages. This distraction not only reduces the quality of your work, but also makes you forget important information. Another threat technology poses is the loss of real social connection. Think about family gatherings, where everyone is glued to their phones rather than talking to each other. A prime example is family meals today, often turning into competitions of who has the most notifications on their phone. Real connection can be replaced by online chats, causing us to lose the sense of closeness and sincerity. Technology can also lead to mental health issues. Studies have shown that excessive use of social media can lead to anxiety and depression. Imagine the feeling when you see perfect photos of friends in the internet and wonder why your life isn't like that. This comparison can erode self-confidence and create dissatisfaction with oneself. Finally, technology can reduce our social communication skills and soft skills. As we become accustomed to quick texts or emails, we may struggle to maintain meaningful, in-depth conversations in real life. Sometimes, expressing emotions through a screen can't replace the warmth and sincerity of face-to-face interactions. So, while technology brings many conveniences to our lives, we also need to consider its impacts on humanity. Remember, technology is a powerful tool, and using it wisely and in balance will help you maintain connection and humanity in an increasingly digital world. Part 3. Balancing technology and real life. We've discussed the fascinating aspects of tech lifestyle, from undeniable benefits to potential threats to humanity. Now let's shift to an equally important part: how to balance technology and real life. This is where many people feel stretched between two extremes, one being the digital, convenient world, and the other being the vibrant, emotional, real life. First, setting limits on technology use is crucial for maintaining balance. You might have heard of the rules: no phones during meals or no checking emails after work. This not only helps you avoid constant distractions, but also creates opportunities for quality moments with family and friends. Try implementing tech-free hours in your life, such as when reading a book, going for a walk, or simply chatting with loved ones. You'll surely notice a big difference. Next, consider using technology to support, rather than replace, real social activities. For instance, instead of sending a birthday text, try organizing an in-person meetup with a close friend. Or if you're attending a video meeting, don't forget to add some direct interaction to keep the conversation lively. Technology can be a wonderful tool, but it shouldn't entirely replace human connection. Another tip is to maintain habits that reduce stress and promote relaxation. Try dedicating time to non-tech activities like yoga, meditation, or simply walking in the park. These activities not only help reduce stress, but also help you regain focus and balance in life. Moreover, always remember that creativity and learning are crucial. Use technology as a tool for exploration and learning, not just as a time sink. For example, if you're seeking inspiration for an art project, use the internet to find information and resources, but don't forget to draw inspiration from the world around you: nature, music, and real-life encounters. Finally, regularly assess and reflect on how you interact with technology. Ask yourself questions like, is technology helping me or distracting me? Or, am I spending enough time on non-tech activities? This will help you adjust how you use technology so it genuinely complements your life rather than dominating it. So, we've explored the intriguing aspects of tech lifestyle, both the undeniable benefits and potential threats to humanity. But remember, like any other tool, Technology is truly valuable only when we use it wisely and in balance. Are you ready to become a smart and effective technology user? Think of technology as a companion, not as something that controls your life. We can enjoy the conveniences it brings while also carving out time and space to truly connect with the world around us. Before we wrap up, ask yourself, when was the last time I truly connected with someone? Or when did I last dedicate time to non-tech activities? These questions can help you adjust and optimize your tech lifestyle. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information useful and want to explore more intriguing topics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how you balance technology in your life. Leave a comment below and share your stories. Remember, technology can be a wonderful part of your life, but don't let it consume all your space and time. Wishing you an inspiring day and exploring new things. See you in the next video.